Introduction. HTML5 introduces interactive elements, including the input element. The HTML input element creates interactive controls for web forms to accept user data. This element supports different types for various data inputs such as text, numbers, email, password, etc. Types of HTML input. Text creates a single-line text input field. Password creates a text box that masks entered characters for confidentiality. Email, used for input fields containing an email address. Number, used for input fields containing numeric input. Radio allows users to select one option from a set. Checkbox allows users to select multiple options from a set. Button creates a clickable button. HTML input attributes. Value specifies the initial value for an input field. Disabled specifies that an input field should be disabled. Read-only specifies that an input field should be read only. Size specifies the width of an input field in characters. Max and min specifies the maximum and minimum values for an input field. Tips and common error-prone cases. Forgetting the name attribute. This attribute is crucial when sending data in a form. Misunderstanding the difference between value and placeholder. Value is the actual input data sent with the form, while placeholder is just a hint displayed in the input field. Not checking for user input. It's important to validate user input on both server and client side. Conclusion. HTML input is a powerful tool for creating interactive, user-friendly web forms. It offers various types and attributes for flexibility in meeting form requirements. Understanding and avoiding common errors is essential for the form to function as expected.